Welcome to the Northfield, your premier destination for premium student living in the heart of Exeter. Experience a variety of modern ensuite rooms, each boasting a plush bed with a side table, ample storage, and complimentary Wi-Fi for streaming all your favorites seamlessly. Your comfort is assured with amenities such as high-speed Wi-Fi, a cozy bed, and generous storage space, ensuring a truly relaxing stay. But that's not all. Unwind and socialize in the inviting communal lounge, challenge your friends in the games area, focus on your studies in dedicated study zones, and relax in serene outdoor garden spaces. Plus, enjoy the peace of mind with utility bills included, additionally making your stay super affordable. Perfectly situated moments away from Exeter College and the University of Exeter, the Northfield provides easy access to local hotspots. Whether you crave a quick coffee or a study break, Cafe Local Exeter, St. David's, and Mulberry Tree Cafe offer the perfect ambience. With the Streatham Drive bus stop just a minute away, commuting is effortless. What are you waiting for? Visit amberstudent.com now to secure your ideal stay at the Northfield Exeter.